Welcome everyone to the course on SQL for Data Engineering. I am Aldre Lin. I am currently the Assistant Vice President and Head of the Analytics section of the Anti-Money Laundering Department of BDO Unibank Incorporated. For the past 14 years or so, I have been working in various fields of interest such as software engineering, robotics process automation, process reengineering, data management, data analytics, and business intelligence in industries such as banking, pharmaceutical, and manufacturing.
In a real-world scenario, data is not as easy to source as we expect. In fact, I have been in several situations where people would say, we cannot do proper assessment or analysis because data is not available. However, the fact of the matter is, data is available anywhere and everywhere in an organization. ETL process, we saw how we can move raw data from multiple sources into the staging area through either the full extraction, partial extraction with notification, or partial extraction with no notification approach. While we certainly can bypass the creation of temporary tables and process our raw data directly in memory, depending on the organization, it would be best in most cases to load our data into temporary tables prior to doing any data processing. There are several reasons for doing so. First, if anything goes wrong in the in-memory data processing, we lose all process information and need to do the whole extraction and processing all over again. In this demo, we will create a simple table and then drop that table from our database. For this purpose, I'd like to create a very simple table with just 4 columns in it. It will be called People Table.
Null is a special marker used in structured query language, or SQL, to indicate that a data value does not exist in the database. In this demo, we will look into how we will be dealing with null values in our database. In our data engineering course, I have prepared a few tables for this week's lesson. For this demo, I'll be using mainly the responses table. Let us now look into the first feature scaling technique called mean normalization. Mean normalization is a scaling technique in which values are shifted and rescaled, centering the value at 0 so that they end up ranging between -1 and 1. It is expressed using the following formula. For this demo, I have created a simple table with a sample data set called salary. Let's open the table and see what we have. Okay, in this table, we have the list of employers, employer names, and then location name and job title category, and the columns that we are interested in.
I hope that you are all as excited as I am and that you will continue to discover new things as you go through your journey in data analytics with Project SPARTA.